Losing 5 trades in a row does not hurt your account, or at least it shouldn't. It messes with your head. Basically, by the first loss, you claim that you tell yourself that it's normal. But after the second one, you're starting to pay closer attention, and then by the third, the doubt starts to really creep in. By the fourth and fifth, basically, you're questioning everything: your strategy, your timing, even whether you should be trading at all. That's where most traders really start to fall apart, like bad. Not because 5 losses mean their system is broken, but because their confidence is. Here's what actually happens in trading psychology. When you lose multiple trades in a row, your brain shifts into a threat mode. You start second guessing your valid setups. You see a trade that fits your plan, but you don't take it because you'll be scared that that loss will be your 6th loss. When the market moves without you, you know you feel worse. I know that feeling. The second reaction is overreaction. Instead of hesitating, you size up, you change your strategy, you start forcing entries. You tell yourself you just need one big win to reset everything. And that usually makes it so much worse. The truth is, losing streaks are normal, especially in meme coins. Please understand that. These markets are volatile. Even solid setups will fail sometimes. But most traders never plan for losing streaks. They plan for wins, right? They only plan for wins. And if you always plan for wins and you always plan for a perfect scenario, you will always lose. Here's the perfect part that nobody really talks about, but they should. If you're risking per trade, it's small, it's controlled. 5 losses in a row shouldn't destroy your account at all. For example, if you're risking 2% per trade, 5 losses, that's 10%. That's uncomfortable but survivable. Okay? If you're risking 15% per trade, 5 losses is game. Prime LeBron at that point. So the real protection isn't predicting wins at all. It should be keeping risk small enough that your losing streaks don't break your emotional mentality. Another important part is tracking quality. It's not just outcome. It's not just outcome at all. After 5 losses, ask, did I follow my rules? 1. If the answer is yes, the problem isn't discipline, it's variance. And variance is a part of trading. If the answer is no, you broke your rules, then the losing streak isn't random at all. It's behavior driven that's fixable. The worst thing you can do is after 5 losses, you panic and change everything. Stick to your structure, lower risk if needed, take a short break. If your confidence is shaken, 5 losses in a row does not mean that you're done. It means that your discipline is being tested. Please realize that. How you respond to that streak is more than the streak itself. I have a free Discord in the description where I teach people how to actually gain discipline when trading. If that's something that you would be interested in, completely free to start. Make sure you check out the link in the description, but that's it. Peace.